Hello everyone. Today, we're delving deeper into the fascinating world of physics to explore Newton's second law of motion. Have you ever wondered why objects accelerate the way they do? Let's embark on another journey to understand this fundamental law that shapes the motion of the world around us. In the 17th century, Sir Isaac Newton continued his exploration of motion. He realized that the acceleration of an object depends on two things: the force applied to it and its mass. This observation led him to formulate the second law of motion. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass. In simpler terms, the bigger the force you apply, the faster an object accelerates. And if an object is heavy as more mass, it accelerates slower for the same amount of force. Imagine pushing a toy car and then pushing a real car with the same force. The toy car moves much faster because it has less mass. Likewise, kicking a lightweight ball and a heavy medicine ball with the same force showcases the difference in acceleration due to their masses. Newton's second law revolutionized how we understand force and motion. It's the reason why cars accelerate when you press the gas pedal and why you slow down when you release it. This law helps us design faster cars, safer amusement park rides, and even understand how rockets launch into space. Quiz time. Feel free to choose the correct options and test your knowledge about Newton's second law of motion. What does Newton's second law of motion state? A. Objects at rest remain at rest. B. The acceleration of an object depends on the force acting on it and its mass. C. Objects always move at the same speed. D. Heavy objects always accelerate faster. The correct answer is option B. Which example demonstrates Newton's second law of motion? A. A heavy truck accelerating when you press the gas pedal. B. A feather falling slowly from the sky. C. A paper airplane gliding smoothly. D. A stationary bicycle in a gym. The correct answer is option A. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give the video a like. We'll be making more videos about science and other interesting topics.